Good afternoon everyone and welcome to HUAWEI Developer Workshop on the 25th of June 2020. Hosted by HUAWEI International, today Burg International was invited to conduct this workshop. Firstly, I would like to thank HUAWEI for this opportunity. Thank you to you, Michelle, and your team, and congratulations on this fantastic platform and series of workshops. Thank you again for everything you're doing for us in the IT industry. My name is Maurice Lau. I'm the founder and chairman of Burg International. Going back 15 years or so, I was the guy full of ideas. I saw gaps in the market in many industries. At the end of 2011, I founded Burg International. Fast forward to today, Burg International is a full-stack IT company. Briefly, we build solutions. There are two pillars behind the vision of Burg. Firstly, to help startups. Most of our clients are tech agnostic, but they understand that technology is the future. We become their CTO, their CIO, and sometimes their DPO. We assist them with business logic too, and once the solution is scoped, we execute. Between 2017 and 2018, we even hosted 7 of our own events. Each event had a headline topic and a guest speaker. Our last event was on media and PR, but we hosted events on topics such as web design, mobile app development, GDPR and POPI Act. You can find our YouTube channel, and on there you will see all the clips from these events, except for one, which was our FinTech event. On the screen here, you will see a wall, and over the years we have worked alongside many big brands. We have international and local clients, and the last piece of the puzzle is we have developed a network of relationships with international and local suppliers which we can pass on, and we do pass on to our clients. We believe our clients' success is our success. Today, our case study is one of our clients which we recently did some work for. They're called My Fuel Rewards. One of the best privileges of being part of Burg is that we get to work with the top minds and pioneers and leaders. In this case, in My Fuel Rewards, this is no different. The MD of My Fuel Rewards, I believe, is in this meeting, and I would just like to send a shout out to Tandakile. When Tandakile approached me with the My Fuel Rewards business model, it was already a running business. She is such an amazing businesswoman and entrepreneur, and in the next couple slides you will find out why. Simply put, My Fuel Rewards is a collection of Uber drivers. Back then it was Taxify, but now it's called Bolt. These drivers are issued cards from Shell called a Shell T card. Every time they fill up at Shell, the transaction would be recorded in their account. They would receive a rebate for every liter of fuel they consume. I remember thinking to myself, wow, this is really good stuff. And Tandakile expressed some of her pains and expressed some of her vision going forward. She wanted to create a mobile app which she believed would take My Fuel Rewards to the next level. You will see here screenshots from the My Fuel Rewards app. I'm just going to quickly go through some of the functions of the app with you. Drivers were losing their cards, so we digitized these cards. Drivers could now log into the app to see their balances, and previously this was not possible. Through this, driver data was verified and streamlined. In the app, drivers could redeem their rewards at Shell garages, and Shell could offer special deals to them. Other rewards in the form of discount vouchers can be made accessible to the drivers through the app too. In the app, drivers with one touch could communicate with My Fuel Rewards on email, WhatsApp, or Facebook. Drivers would always know where the closest Shell to them is. There are other features I'm not mentioning. This is just the first phase of My Fuel Rewards. Tandakile and her team have many more exciting ideas. Phase 2 has already been mocked up. So yes, if you want to get in touch with Tandakile, she's open to new partnerships and collaborations. Watch this space. Earlier I mentioned the first pillar behind the vision of Burg. The one part of the second pillar of Silicon Berg is our philosophy to give our clients the best quality offering. And we believe the only way to do this is through our tech stack. We build custom and only build using certain languages. With regards to mobile app development, we only develop natively. This means for Huawei, we integrate the HMS core into Android Studio. Of course, developing for Huawei means there cannot be any GMS dependencies, and hence the need to incorporate HMS core services. There are some nuances working with HMS core, but Huawei offer great support and guidelines. The Silicon Berg team navigated successfully through each hoop. With regards to the My Fuel Rewards app, we integrated the Account Kit, Push Kit, Map Kit and Location Kit, and finally the in-app purchases kit. Thank you so much for being part of this workshop. I'll now hand over to my colleague and one of our teammates to run through the Map Kit and Location Kit. Thank you and take care.